Everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the Jiomart application which I recently launched on Play Store. In this app you can order online grocery products, daily essential products. So in this video I will show you how to use Jiomart application, how to register on it and how to order any products on it. So let's start the video. First you have to go to Play Store, then search for Jiomart application. Here you can see the many results of app, but you have to see carefully the publisher of app. So here is the Jio Platforms Limited. This is the only official app of Jiomart. I have already downloaded this app and I will give the link of this app in the description. So click on open. Click on proceed and allows the permission. Then click on these three lines. First you have to sign up or register in the app. Click on sign up. Enter your mobile number. Then click OK. Proceed. Wait for OTP. And enter the OTP and click on verify. You logged in successfully. After logged in successfully, first you have to complete your profile. Click on profile. Then click on this pencil. Enter your first name here. Enter the last name. Select the gender here. Select the date of birth. Select the month and select the date. And enter your email address here. Enter your mobile number here and click on save changes. Then after click on delivery address, click on add new address, enter your area pin code, and add your address here. Enter the landmark. Then click on save addresses. So the profile has been created successfully. So here you can see many offers are available here. You can also search by category, shop by category. Click on the category which you want. Click on add. Click on view cart. Here you can customize your quantity of the product. Then click on place order. Then click on make payment. Here you can see the many payments options are available here. Paytm, PhonePe, Jio Money, MobiKwik. You can also pay through UPI ID and you can pay through net banking. Here is the cash on delivery option. Click on cash on delivery. Click on pay. So your order has been placed successfully. Click on home. Here you can see your orders. Here is the option of customer service, and you can sign out from here. So I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe.